Alright, so the first thing we are going to do is go into an account, go to the end here, and go to settings. Scroll down to the bottom where it says initialization. So we're going to click on that. Then go do initialize PS4. Then say full because we want to do a full reset. Then click on initialize. Then yes. Let it gather some information that it needs. Then say OK. And yes again. Now it's going to restart here. Just let it do its thing. Don't touch any buttons or anything. Just let it restart. The process will take a while, about an hour or so. Just let it do what it has to do. And then when it's done, it's going to come to this screen. So what we'll do is just plug in a controller. And now you're all set to set up the system for yourself. Thanks for watching.